When Zimdancehall Gets Romantic. Freeman HKD's Falling in Love, featuring Atenda Chinx. Freeman HKD, the undisputed HKD Boss, has a reputation for high-energy Zimdancehall bangers that ignite dance floors and electrify crowds. But what happens when the dancehall king takes a detour into matters of the heart? You get Falling in Love, a smooth and soulful track featuring the talented Atenda Chinx, from Freeman's latest album, The Notebook. This song showcases a different, more tender side of Freeman, proving his versatility as an artist. While his signature vocal delivery is still present, it's infused with a warmth and sincerity that perfectly complements the romantic theme. A departure, a delight. Falling in Love stands out in Freeman's discography for several reasons. A softer sound. Unlike the aggressive basslines and fast-paced rhythms often associated with Zimdancehall, this track opts for a more melodic and laid-back instrumental. It's a perfect blend of modern R&B influences with a subtle dancehall sensibility. Atenda Chinx's touch. Atenda Chinx's feature is a stroke of genius. Their vocal contribution adds a rich, harmonious layer that elevates the song's emotional depth. The interplay between Freeman's delivery and Atenda Chinx's vocals creates a truly captivating soundscape. Relatable lyrics. The lyrics delve into the universal experience of falling for someone, the intoxicating feeling of new love, and the joy of connection. It's a narrative that many listeners can relate to, making the song instantly endearing. Why you need to hear this. Falling in Love isn't just a deviation, it's a testament to Freeman HKD's growth as an artist. It shows that he's not afraid to explore different genres and themes, all while maintaining his distinctive artistic identity. This track is perfect for date nights. Forget the club. This is the song you put on during a romantic evening or a chill drive with your significant other. A testament to versatility. It's a powerful reminder that artists, even those known for a specific genre, can gracefully cross boundaries and deliver exceptional work. A beautiful collaboration. The synergy between Freeman and Atenda Chinx is palpable, resulting in a track that feels complete and well-rounded. If you're looking for a refreshing take on love from one of Zimbabwe's biggest musical icons, then Falling in Love is your next listen. It's a sweet, soulful, and utterly charming addition to Freeman HKD's impressive catalog. Have you fallen in love with this track yet? Share your thoughts in the comments below.